Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro item inventory snapshot tutorial. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to view your inventory levels in your Xoro system. So the best way to probably see this is go to your item inventory snapshot module. And this is basically going to list by store or inventory set all your items, and it's going to give you all your inventory levels as well. So basically what I can do is I can enable some columns for some additional inventory levels. So things like on hand, maybe ATS, net available, things like that. So I can actually see per item and per inventory set, what are my inventory levels. The links that are in blue, I can actually click on and it'll give me a detail of what's actually going on here. So for example, I can click on SO. I can see basically where the 60 is coming from. I can click on this 58 here and I can see that where is it available. And you can actually see how some of these inventory levels are determined. Basically what you can do is click on our little help guide that we have for the inventory levels, so you can see what allocated means, what in receiving means, what not available means, and things like that. So it'll give you a rundown of all the inventory levels. So just to kind of quickly summarize, available is what you have to sell. It doesn't include any damaged goods. On SO is what you have on your sales orders. ATS is basically your available minus your SO released plus PO released. This is that ATS with PO. And then net available is of the available that you have, take away from it the amount that you have allocated. So for example, this row here, it says available 27, but net available 26. So that means of the 27 that I have of this item, one of them's been allocated. So that's actually how some of these columns are calculated. And again, to find out how all of them are calculated in detail, just pull this up, and you can see what all the inventory levels mean.